You did it. You finished the 90-day financial reset. Your money is clearer, your debt is shrinking, your savings are growing. So here's the big question: what comes next? Because the reset wasn't the finish line, it was the warm-up. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your 90-day progress into real long-term wealth. Let's go. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Congratulations on your 90-day reset. You did it. Take a deep breath and let that accomplishment sink in. This is a moment worth celebrating because you've just completed something that most people only dream about. You set a goal, you stayed committed, and you made it all the way to the finish line of this first big milestone. For the last 90 days, you faced your financial situation head-on and took action. You didn't shy away from the tough stuff. You looked at your numbers, confronted your habits, and made choices that weren't always easy, but were always worth it. You made a plan and stuck with it, showing courage and grit. Every time you checked off a task, you proved to yourself that you're capable of real change. You built a roadmap and followed it, even when the path felt uncertain. Most people only talk about change, but you took real steps. You moved beyond wishful thinking and turned your intentions into action. That's what sets you apart. Think back to 3 months ago, living paycheck to paycheck, stressed by debt. Maybe you felt overwhelmed, unsure where to start, or even a little hopeless about your financial future. But you decided enough was enough and took control. You made the brave choice to face your fears and start fresh, and that decision changed everything. Now, you've tasted financial power and hope, and this is just the beginning. You've seen what's possible when you take charge, and you've started to believe in your own ability to create a better future. The changes you've made are monumental. You've paid off debt, built savings, or simply learned to manage your money with more confidence. These are achievements to be proud of. You've built new habits and learned new skills. You've tracked your spending, set up a budget, and educated yourself about personal finance. These habits will serve you for years to come. This 90-day reset was your basic training. Just like an athlete prepares for a big race, you've laid the groundwork for a lifetime of financial health and discipline. You've learned to prioritize what truly matters. You know now how to say no to what doesn't serve you, and yes to the things that move you closer to your goals. Take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. Reflect on how far you've come, and let yourself feel proud. You earned this victory, step by step, day by day. Thank those who supported you and give yourself credit. Whether it was a friend, a partner, or just your own inner voice cheering you on, recognize the support that helped you get here. You've taken the first step toward financial peace. You've created a foundation that will help you weather future storms and enjoy more freedom in your life. But remember, this is not the finish line. This is a checkpoint, a moment to pause, celebrate, and then keep moving forward. This is the starting line for your financial journey. The road ahead is full of new opportunities, challenges, and rewards. The real work and rewards are ahead. Keep the momentum going. Every step you take from here will build on the strong foundation you've created. You've got a taste of victory. Let that feeling motivate you to keep striving, keep learning, and keep growing. Now, let's move forward with confidence. Your journey is just beginning, and you have everything you need to succeed. The best is yet to come. You've completed a 90-day sprint, intense and focused. Sprints build momentum, but now it's time for a marathon mindset. Wealth building is a slow, steady process, and that's where magic happens. The habits you've built are your foundation. Discipline must take over for motivation. You're now strategically building a future. We'll break this marathon into 3 stages. First, stabilize and secure your foundation. Second, build real, lasting wealth. Finally, design the future you deserve. Each stage builds on the last. No skipping steps. Follow the plan and trust the process. It's worked for millions, and it will work for you. This is your path to financial success. Welcome to Stage 1, stabilizing your financial life. This is about creating a strong foundation. Eliminate risks that can derail your progress. Protect yourself from emergencies with a buffer. Make budgeting and tracking expenses permanent. Automate your financial plan as much as possible. Continue fighting against debt with momentum. Guard against lifestyle creep as your situation improves. This stage is about defense, building a financial fortress. It might feel slow, but it's crucial for future success. Every dollar saved and debt paid is a victory. You're solidifying your base for future goals. Let's get specific. Now is the time to build your fully funded emergency fund, the financial safety net that stands between you and life's unexpected storms. This isn't just a jar of cash, it's your peace of mind, your family's security, and your ticket to sleeping soundly at night. During your financial reset, you started with a baby emergency fund, just enough to cover minor bumps in the road. That was your first step, and it was important. But now, it's time to level up. Your goal is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Think about what you truly need to survive: rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, insurance, and transportation. Start by calculating your bare-bones monthly survival number. Be honest and realistic. This isn't about luxuries, but about what it takes to keep your household running. Once you have that number, multiply it by 3, 4, 5, or 6, depending on your comfort level and job stability. That's your emergency fund target. This fund is your shield against life's uncertainties: job loss, medical emergencies, or sudden repairs. It's what keeps you afloat when the unexpected happens. Keep your emergency fund liquid, meaning it's easy to access, but make sure it's separate from your regular spending accounts. This way, you won't be tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Remember, true emergencies are things like losing your job, facing a medical crisis, or dealing with a major car or home repair, not a last-minute vacation or a new gadget. Attack this goal with intensity. Every extra dollar you can find should go toward your emergency fund. Celebrate each milestone along the way, no matter how small. Consider working extra hours, selling things you no longer need, or pausing non-essential spending. Every sacrifice now builds your future security. Make this your top financial priority. Remind yourself daily. Put sticky notes on your mirror, track your progress, and stay focused. Having a fully funded emergency fund changes your entire perspective. You'll feel more relaxed, more in control, and more confident about your future. You'll sleep better at night, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Financial stress will start to fade, replaced by a sense of security. Remember, this fund isn't an investment, it's insurance. Don't risk it in the stock market. Keep it safe, accessible, and ready for when you need it most. Think of it as a buffer between you and Murphy's Law. When things can go wrong, they often do, but you'll be ready. Saving this much might feel like a challenge, but it's absolutely achievable. Take it one step at a time and don't get discouraged. With a full emergency fund, you'll walk taller, feel more confident, and know you can handle whatever life throws at you. You'll make decisions based on wisdom, not fear, and that's the true power of financial security. You've been budgeting for 90 days, now make it permanent. The zero-based budget is your wealth-building tool. Plan every dollar before the month begins. Give every dollar a name: housing, food, debt, savings. This is non-negotiable. Do it every month. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet for ease. Automation simplifies your financial management. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bills. Automation builds discipline and pays your future self first. Automate debt payments for consistency. This system works for you 24/7. Free up mental energy for bigger goals. Focus on increasing income and planning long-term. Automation ensures important things get paid first. It removes temptation and builds financial discipline. This frees you to focus on increasing income and planning long-term goals. With your emergency fund in place, focus on debt. Unleash the debt snowball with full power. List debts from smallest to largest, excluding the mortgage. Attack the smallest debt with every extra penny. This method changes behavior and boosts motivation. Quick wins encourage continued progress. Roll paid-off payments onto the next debt. This creates a snowball effect of payments. Live differently. No new loans, no extravagant spending. Make sacrifices now for future freedom. Stay focused and intense. This is a season of change. Debt steals your income and peace of mind. Freeing your income allows wealth building. Get angry at debt and attack it relentlessly. Take back control and build lasting wealth. Congratulations, you've completed Stage 1, you're debt-free, with a fully funded emergency fund. Now, move to Stage 2, building real, lasting wealth. Start investing 15% of your income for retirement. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401k or Roth IRA. Invest in growth stock mutual funds consistently. Dollar cost averaging is key to long-term success. Save for other big goals like college or paying off the house. Focus on increasing your income for faster wealth building. Ask for raises, develop skills, or start a side business. More income accelerates your journey. Invest more, pay off the house, give generously. See your money working for you, growing day and night. This stage is about playing offense and achieving big goals. Your financial future is bright and full of possibilities. With your wealth-building machine running, enter stage 3. Design the future. You deserve. Money is a tool for purpose. Create a vision for your life. Dream big. Write down 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year goals. Financial and personal goals. What do you want your life to look like? A clear vision gives your financial plan purpose. Build wealth and give generously. Change your family tree. Support causes you care about and help those in need. Financial security allows for outrageous generosity. Your plan funds your dreams. Travel, business, early retirement. Meet with your spouse to review goals and dreams. As wealth grows, options expand. Freedom and peace. You're the designer of your life. Build a masterpiece. Keep dreaming and planning together. Your financial journey is about more than numbers. It's about living a life of purpose. As we wrap up this journey together, take a moment to truly reflect on how far you've come. Think back to where you started, the questions you had, and the hopes you carried with you. Every step, no matter how small, has brought you closer to the life you want. You've moved from a place of stress and uncertainty to one of clarity, with a plan in hand and hope in your heart. That transformation is powerful, and it's something to be proud of. The 90-day reset was just the start, a launching pad for a new chapter in your life. It's proof that change is possible, and that you have what it takes to follow through. You've shown yourself that you can win with money, and that you're capable of making smart choices that lead to real results. Of course, this path isn't always easy. Temptations will pop up, and setbacks are part of the process. There will be days when old habits try to sneak back in, or when unexpected expenses throw you off course. Remember, what's considered normal in our world is often broke and stressed, but you've chosen a different way, a path that leads to freedom and peace of mind. You're different now. You're intentional, focused, and committed to building a life of purpose and peace. That's something truly special. When motivation fades, your why, the reason you started, will keep you moving forward. Keep it close, and let it inspire you on tough days. You're not alone. You're part of a growing community of people who are taking control of their lives, supporting each other, and celebrating every win together. Millions have walked this path before you, and millions more will follow. You're part of something bigger than yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't be afraid to share your story. Your experiences can light the way for others who are just starting out. Your journey has the power to inspire others to take their first step, to believe that change is possible for them too. By making these changes, you're not just improving your own life, you're changing your family tree for generations to come. The impact will ripple out in ways you can't even imagine yet. Take action on what you've learned, build your emergency fund, attack your debt with intensity, and start investing for your future. Every step you take now lays the foundation for lasting security. Dream boldly about your future. This is your life, and you have the power to shape it. Imagine what's possible when you stay committed to your goals. The best is yet to come. This is just the beginning of a new, exciting chapter filled with growth, opportunity, and hope. Go out there and write the next chapter of your story. You have everything you need within you to succeed. Believe in yourself. You've got this. Your story is just beginning, and the pages ahead are waiting to be filled with your dreams, your victories, and your resilience. Now go make it extraordinary. The future is yours to create. Step forward with confidence and make every moment count. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.